So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Voltas Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, take it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button is V-swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button, the swing of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing will start working automatically. The next button is H-swing. This button is for the swing flap in front of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. After that, the next button is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. By pressing the mode button, the mode will be visible in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in heat. Now the mode is in fan. Now I will tell you the details of the modes in very simple words. In cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. The next mode after that is fan mode. AC will not do cooling in fan. Only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is coming from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the speed of the fan is in auto. Right now the speed of the fan is in low. Right now the speed of the fan is in medium. Right now the speed of the fan is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the speed of the fan to high. The next button after that is turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases a lot. You are coming to your room from somewhere outside, and if your room is very hot and you feel very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. The next button is saver. By pressing the saver button, the temperature of the AC is set to 24 degrees and the fan speed of the indoor unit will start running in medium. For energy conscious users in saver mode, eco mode helps balance cooling with low power consumption, making it great for daily use while cutting down on energy bills. The next button is lamp. By pressing the lamp button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. You can use this button to turn off only the light of the display of the AC. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on Voltas Inverter AC gradually increases the temperature throughout the night so that you can sleep comfortably. It is a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. The AC automatically switches off and on again when the desired temperature is reached. Sleep mode. Helps you sleep easily. Helps you get back to sleep quickly if you wake up in the middle of the night, and can increase the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. And those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and want to save money on electricity bills can use sleep. The next button is Timer On. Timer On does not have the function of Timer On, it is a dummy button. The next button is Timer Off. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in Timer Off. On pressing the Timer Off button, you can see the time in the remote. In Timer Off, you can set the time from 1 hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically after 8 hours. So now I will set 8 hours from the Timer Off button of the remote. And on pressing the set button in the remote, the timer off will be set for 8 hours. If you want to cancel the timer, then press the power button of the remote twice, then the timer will be cancelled. The next button is Temp. On pressing the temp button, the room temperature will be displayed in the indoor unit. You can use this button to check the room temperature. The next button is Wi-Fi, and ADJ means adjust. So first of all, let me tell you about the adjust button in detail. The function of the ADJ, adjustable, button in Voltas Inverter AC is to change the inverter AC to work at different cooling capacities, tons, such as running a 1.5 ton AC at 1 ton or less capacity as per requirement. It lets you adjust the cooling level as per your requirement and room temperature, thereby saving electricity. In the adjust function, you can change your AC in 5 ways. Pressing the ADJ button once will start the AC running in 1.6 tons. Pressing the ADJ button for the second time will start the AC running in normal 1.5 tons. Pressing the ADJ button for the third time will start the AC running in 1.2 tons. On pressing the ADJ button for the fourth time, the AC will start running at normal 1.5 ton. On pressing the ADJ button for the fifth time, the AC will start running at 1.0 ton. On pressing the ADJ button for the sixth time, the AC will start running at normal 1.5 ton. On pressing the ADJ button for the seventh time, the AC will start running at 0.7 ton. On pressing the ADJ button for the eighth time, the AC will start running at normal 1.5 ton. The next button is Wi-Fi. Note that you can use the AC on Wi-Fi only if your AC supports Wi-Fi. Press the Wi-Fi button on the remote 4 times until the SA symbol appears on the display of the AC. To pair your AC, download the Voltas Smart app from your phone's app store. Open the app and complete the registration and login process. Connect to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network through the app. To get the AQI manual of your specific Voltas inverter AC, you must first find out if your AC model has this feature or not, as not all Voltas inverter models include the Air Quality Index (AQI) function. You should check the product specifications or product manual for your specific model number, as the term AQI manual itself is not a standard feature. If your model has this feature, you can get the manual on the Voltas website or through the official product page, or you can call their customer service center. If you understand the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.